Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see how we can set alarm such as you want to get a notification when increasing our traffic or decreasing our traffic less than compared to our yesterday compared to the last week. Create this email notification easily. So for this we have to go our Google Analytics 4. I am now in our Google Analytics 4 interface. So now we have to click on report. If we click on report and in report snapshot, if you scroll down, we'll see the view all inside. So also we can create from here, and also you can go by searching inside. If you search inside, so here we will find the inside section. So click here, or also you can go from here. So click on view all inside. First of all, we have to create inside. For this, we have to click on create. Then we'll see here we have to set some condition from here. So first of all, evaluation frequency. So this how we can compare this or daily or weekly or monthly or hourly. Hourly also we can, but hourly just for web only. So from here I am going to use daily. Also we can set it weekly or monthly like that. So for this I am going to set a custom insight daily. So from this segment section here, already default selected all user. From here, you also can change as per your request, as per your demographics, geography, or something like that. So I am going to select just all user matrix section. We will find the all metrics we need for the all user segment. So from here, I am going to see the set the condition using total user. So if you click on total user, and then we have to say the condition. This is matrix. We have to set the condition, how this condition works. So first of all, we see that has anomaly is less than or equal to, like that, is greater than, increase greater than, such like that. I am going to see the percentage increase more than. So if we click on percentage increase more than, and we will see another field for value, because we set this as a percentage. So we have to input the value of percent. So I am going to see the 4%. So in here I said this as a 4%, and comparison period. So if you click here, so this is comparison for yesterday or same day at the last week or same day last year. So I'm going to say the same day last week, and from here we have to choose a insight name. This insight name you can use anything as you wish, but here I'm going to specific because if I see the report, I can easily handle this. For this, I'm going to name the total user increase for 4% for same day last week. So I give this name. Okay, now in the bottom, now if we see the manage notification section, so here this is the default email of my, this is the default email for this Google Analytics 4. So this already integrated. So if you want to use the any other email, so just input a comma, then use such as I am used to interact@wahidul.com. After all conditions set up properly, we have to click on create. Then custom insight created successfully. Now, if we click on manage, then we will see all of the already used for active user increase 7% notification. So here also you see the default insight, custom insight. If you want, you can active this, or you can edit or delete from there. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.